What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to reset and restore default settings in Windows 10 or 11. So the most common method and easiest one is factory reset using Reset This PC. Click the Start menu on your desktop, then select Settings, or press Windows plus L. Now click Update and Security. Select Recovery from the left panel and under Reset This PC, click Get Started. You'll see two options: Keep My Files, removes apps and settings but keeps personal files, or Remove Everything, which deletes all files, apps and settings. Full Factory Reset. A true factory reset usually means choosing Remove Everything. Now select one of the following options: is Cloud Download, which downloads the Windows from the internet, or Local Reinstall, which uses the existing Windows files. Choose your preferred option and continue. Now review the summary, then click Reset. Your laptop will restore and begin the factory reset process. This may take some time. Do not turn off your computer. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.